Okay, so we're in Naples. We kind of got a lively street here. So what I'm gonna do is just walk downhill a little bit. Then we're also coming all the way down there. That's called Pizza Street. I think this might be the same name. Not 100% sure, but we're gonna walk it and just kind of check it all out. Nonetheless. Okay, so let's check the street out. So we're in Naples, Italy. Gonna try to film some of these more common, popular streets. This one's going downhill, and there's a lot of these saints as well. These blue. I'm just gonna walk down a little bit, and I'm gonna try to find something to eat. One of the things I found out was the small pizzas you can't sit down, but the big pizzas you can. I'm only one person. I want a small pizza, but. And I think we still might be on Pizza Street. Yeah, we are. Tribunali. So I'll highlight that in a second. And let's just kind of check out some of these side streets too, right? So that's our Tribunali's right there. So that's our focus street. And we kind of have, I think I've seen the other YouTubers film this spot right here. And we also got a church here. Got scooters behind us. We're coming up quick. And a musician. It's kind of cool. Let's get some kind of cool stuff in here too. Community of Napoli. So this is also called Pizza Street, but the main Pizza Street was up behind us. But it looks like it's just as lively down here as well. I think we're gonna try to keep it timed. Let's see, got these little side streets everywhere. More down that way. And some churches as well. Looks like they're coming out of church. Got those doors. Okay. For the taste of Naples.
Come bella, non dispiace assolutamente, non voglio dire da te, tutti mi vogliono, con la mano che così, ma non vengono così, grazie, non devono tirare, ma come fanno a pigliare tutti? Voglio essere dingoli, e dingoli, ma qui dalla Spagna, dingoli,